Hello and thank you for watching Scumbag Customs. In this video I'm going to do a quick unboxing of Starn's Disciples, the latest addition to Kill Team for the Genestealer Cults, with perhaps the most anticipated miniature of the upcoming Genestealer Cult wave, the Calomorph. My setup might be a little small for a box of this size, so let's just open it up and have a more detailed look of what's inside. For starters, we have some tokens, a rulebook and some cards wrapped in more plastic. I'll just put that aside for now. Then we have a sprue of terrain that most of you will already be familiar with. I did a video on this terrain previously, so I'm not going to get too detailed into this. If you want to have a look at that video, maybe I'll put a link in the description. Next up is the Calomorph. Now, to get a better detailed shot, let me just rearrange my camera. And here we have a more detailed look of the new Calomorph. As I said before, probably the most anticipated miniature of the new Genestealer Cults release, and with good reason. Also in this box set are 5 more Genestealer Cult hybrid metamorphs or acolyte hybrids, depending on how you put them together. Very nice miniatures, but as I'm sure that most of you are already familiar with them, I'm not going into too much detail over these. Let's move over to the paperwork. First up is the little booklet with the introduction, little background story about the team. Some very nice artwork in there. And finally the rules for the Calomorph. As this is a quick unboxing, I'm not going to pay too much attention to the rules. I'm pretty sure there's going to be much discussion on that on other channels. We have a guide on how to put everything together. I'm actually quite surprised that they made a new guide especially for this set, rather than sticking in 3 of the smaller ones that they already have. But it's nice to have all the rules in here put together as well. Then we have some more tokens, which is very nice. They're pretty much the same kind of color and feel as the ones that came into the starter set, but it's always good to have some more and extra laying around, or if you didn't have the starter set, this is a good way to get them. The set also comes with some extra tokens for your Calomorph commander. There are lots of cards in this set, all with some very nice different artwork. So we've got a lot of tactic cards. We have some specialism cards. And one more tactic card, which seems to be for the terrain. Then we have the data cards. Starn himself has his own artwork, and there's an extra blank card if you want to create your own Calomorph. And his disciples have also some blank cards and the named characters. And finally we have 4 mission cards. As I said before, this is just a quick unboxing video, as I'm pretty sure there are lots of channels out there that can do way better with the rules than me, as I'm more of a modeler. That being said, I think this set is good value for both modelers and players alike. I do wish we would have seen the Kelamorph in a release on its own rather than part of a bigger set. Maybe in the future they will release it in a clan pack, but for now they have been very clear that the only way to get it is in this Kill Team set. And because of this, I'm pretty sure we will see quite some Ryza-pattern runes and hybrid metamorphs showing up on various for sale pages. That's it for my quick unboxing of this Kill Team set. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you'd like to help out my channel, please subscribe and please leave a thumbs up. I do appreciate it.